Okay, so we come to MAT specimen paper question 1C. So what is the reflection of the point 34 in the line 3x plus 4y equals 50? Okay, so let's try to sketch a diagram, shall we? So 3x plus 4y equals 50 is downward sloping line, and we know that the x-intercepts and y-intercepts of that line should be positive, right? So we could just roughly sketch such a line. So let's say we had that, okay, and we had the point 34. Okay, it doesn't really matter where it is. Let's say there, and so that's 3x plus 4y equals 50. Fine. So we need to find a reflection, which is somewhere here. Okay, so we need to find that line there. So what do we know about the line connecting these 2 points? Okay, we know that it's perpendicular to the original line. Okay, so from this we could find the connecting line. So we know that the gradient of the original line is minus 3 on 4. Agreed? Yeah. So the new line would have a slope, well, a gradient, or either word. So a gradient would be 4/3. Okay, so I know that it passes through the point 34. So it's y minus 4 equals 4 on 3 of x minus 3. Fine, so I know that line there. So now what I have to do is to find the intersection between these two lines. So I could find the point in the middle. Okay, well, let's write this in a more accessible form. So that equals to 4x minus 12. So I know that line is essentially, what is it? So that would be 3y equals to 4x. Fine, so x equals to 3 on 4y. Okay, so I have to sub this into the original line. So 3 times 3 on 4y plus 4y gives me 50. So now I could solve for the y coordinate of the intersection. So 9 on 4y plus 4y gives 50. So that gives me 25 on 4y equals 50. So y would give me 8. Okay, so y is 8. So now I could find the x coordinate. So let's put it in the original line. So 3x plus 32 gives 50. So x is 6. Fine. So the intersection point is 6, 8. Okay, so the intersection point is 6, 8. Fine, so what's the reflection point? Okay, so from 3, 4 to 6, 8, how much did we move? Okay, there's some concept of vectors going on. So we have moved 3, 4. Yeah, because 3, 4 plus 3, 4 equals 6, 8. Yeah, so we have moved 3, 4. So we have to move another 3, 4 to get to the point we want. Okay, so what is 6, 8 plus another 3, 4? 6, 8 plus another 3, 4, that would be 9, 12. So 9, 12 would be 8.